Hello, good morning student. The most welcome BBC Computer Online classes presented by Ramesh sir here. So dear students, I explain you chapter number 1, computers and electronic device. So in this chapter I explain you the device of a computer. So let me now one by one I explain you topic. First of all, what is the computer? So a computer is a very useful machine. It is used to everywhere. It's make our life easier. It's work very fast and save our time. So you can say that computer is an electronic machine that perform the work according to the need of the user and solve the particular problem, right? So that is the diagram of the computer. So you can see here monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So dear student, the definition is clear. Computer is an electronic machine and solve the particular problem, right? After that, next topic, function of a computer. So here is the many function of the computer. Function means what will we do with the help of the computer. So we can type a letter, stories, listening music, play the game, solving sum, drawing pictures and watch the movie and cartoon, etc. So many work we can do with the help of the computer. Working of the computer. So how to work computer? So computer is a machine that process the data, okay, according to the need of the user. So how to work? So computer is a machine. It means the hardware and input receive the data, process, after that give the output. So with the help of diagram I tell you. So input, so with the help of keyboard, mouse you give the input, and process means the CPU. After taking the inputs, so process the data and give the output. It means the display the result. So just like you have need the mango shake, so you have arrange the, you give the mango and mixing, so process the juice and after that give the shake, mango shake to other persons. So that is the working, okay, input, process and output. So that is the working. IPO cycle. So this is also the important point. IPO cycle means input, process and after that give the output. So that is the working of IPO cycle. So input means what you want to enter through the keyboard. Process means which type of work would you want to. Output means what you want to see the results. So input means giving, process means doing work and output means after last what the result we having. So that is the IPO cycle. After that, I explain here that we can discuss here the difference between the human and computers. So a computer can do all the activities on its own. Either needs its humans. So one by one I explain you. So many difference between the computer and humans. First of all, humans. So humans have the feeling. I have the feel. Okay, just like I'm feeling the sad, I'm feeling happy. So that is the human. I'm so tired. I'm also feeling the tired also, right? After doing the some work. I can do work by themselves without any command. So I will do work without any no need of any third person. So I can do all work. Okay. Fourth point, I can learn and forgot, but I am not learned for the long time. After 1 year, 1 month, so I forgot some points. I cannot work so fast, right? So here the fifth point, I cannot work so fast. So after that the computer, I do not have any feeling. So I'm not have any feeling, but me and having the feeling, but computer not have any type of feeling. I'm never getting the tired. Okay, I'm not feel the tired. That time is working. So but I'm feeling the tired. One is feeling tired, but computer not tired. They follow the command. So I have need of the another person, but here no need of the any commands. I never make a mistake. Computer human make mistake sometime, but computer not make any mistake. Computer always give the right answer. They can work very fast, but human cannot work very fast, but computer can work very fast. So that's the difference between the human and computer. After that, advantages of the computer. This is the most important points. So many advantages of the computer is like speed. Computer speed is very fast. Okay, so computer can carry out the instruction in a great speed. It's carry million of commands in a 1 second. So within a 1 second we can solve the million of commands. Storage capacity. Computer also store the large amount of data. Okay, it means the computer has a large memory space. Accuracy. Accuracy means computer always give the right answer without any mistake. So accuracy means the always giving the right answer. Versatilities. So versatilities means computer can perform any type of work. Computer get not tired. Okay, so computer is not tired. Computer can do uh, work continue, okay, without any rest. So here the four advantages is the most important. After that, some disadvantages also we can discuss here. Health issue. You are doing work for the long time, so definitely affect your health. Data loss due to virus attack. So please use the antivirus. Using the computer for the long hours can harm your eyes. So please don't do work for the long hours. Okay, so please you save the eyes. Data thieves by hackers, so please use the antivirus. Okay, hacker also okay, so data is the thief by the hackers. After that, the computer cannot take our own decisions. So computer cannot their own decisions. Computer will not take ourselves the decisions. The main take ourselves decisions. Okay, online cyber crime. So yes, that is the most important point. Online cyber crime, just like ATM card, bank robbery. So that type of the work. Okay. So that is the disadvantages of the computer. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.